Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and kind of doing a full face using Chanel makeup. So this video is in collaboration with Nordstrom. So as you guys seen, they had me come in and see all the amazing products offered at the anniversary sale, which does end August 5th, so keep that in mind. And I picked up a bunch of stuff to do a YouTube video with. I kind of showed you guys around and like kind of gave you a sneak peek of what products I was going to use. Since there are like little shelves full of the anniversary sale, these two brushes were part of it. So this brush is the Oval 7 and this little guy is the Oval 6. These are foundation brushes, or you can use them as like cream contour. But I'm sure you guys have seen or heard of the oval brushes. So another anniversary sale beauty exclusive product was this little bundle. Here are the products that were inside. So this is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It says Instant Complexion Refresher. So it's like a illuminating primer. So this is a setting powder. This is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. And then there is this highlighter right here that comes in the set, and this is called Opal, which is really, really pretty. So the value of that is normally $52, and the anniversary sale is $35. So that's a great deal. They had so many products, as you guys can see in the video, that had a lot of great deals on them. Alright, so there's also a beauty exclusive for, this is the Rouge Cocoa set featuring 3 soft pinks. So there's different formulas in here, so I'll go ahead and show you guys. So there is the Cocoa Rouge Lip Blush. You can use on the lips or the cheeks, and the shade is 414. So the next thing is the Rouge Cocoa Gloss, and this is in shade 96. And then here is the lipstick. This is in shade 434. Another item that I thought was cool was the Bobbi Brown Deluxe Eye and Cheek Set. This is actually one palette, but it has a whole cheek side and like a whole eye side, a mirror in between, so it's really nice, really convenient. That retails for $98, but it's a $380 value. So the sale is in-store and online, so if you guys don't live near a Nordstrom or you don't have access to one, you guys can shop there as well. So I'm kind of just like going to talk about my experience at Nordstrom, and I'm going to just, while I'm doing that, I'm going to do a full face of Chanel makeup. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Chanel Hydra Beauty Micro Serum. So this comes with a pump. This is just like a hydrating base to put down like a moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and pump that onto the back of my hand and then just apply it to my face. This is like clear, it's like a clear gel. Alright, so that is on. That's kind of like a gel. It's very watery, so it's very water-based, very hydrating. Alright, so I'm just going to spray this over top. This is the Hydra Beauty Essence Mist. So as you can see, the mist is super fine, if you can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and use this foundation. Honestly, I'm not going to try and say it because I don't know how to pronounce that. It's in French, but there's what it's called. I am shade 30 Beige. So this does have a pump, which, you know, I love. I hate foundations that don't have pumps. I'm going to squirt it onto my hand. And I'm going to use a sponge to apply it. This is supposedly, I'm pretty sure they said it was medium to full coverage. Ooh. So I'm going to show some footage of me going into Nordstrom and going up to the counter. Honestly, I haven't used any Chanel makeup before this. This is kind of like a first impressions. But they were kind of helping me. They were kind of telling me about the formulas of everything. Kind of showing me the colors and all that stuff. So I'll show some footage of that. I'm pretty sure this has a matte finish because the glass is frosted. Alright, so next I'm going to use concealer. I'm going to use shade 10 Beige. This is going to be a little bit lighter than my skin tone because I want to highlight my face as well as conceal. So as I'm looking at my foundation up closer, I wouldn't say it's full coverage. What I have on now, definitely like a medium. Just slide it right on. So this concealer, I wouldn't say is full coverage either. You can definitely see some skin peeking through. Alright, so next I'm going to cream bronze. So I'm going to use the Soleil Tan bronzer. Alright, so I'm going to use a brush to apply that. Just going to dip into it. It's actually kind of hard. Maybe I'll swirl. It's actually really a nice shade. I thought it was going to be super warm and orange. But when you apply it, it's almost more of like a gray tone. So it's also good for contour, I would say. Alright, so the cream bronzer is on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this compact. This is the Le Tint Ultra. So this is the Ultra Wear Flawless Compact Foundation, and I am in shade 30 Beige again, obviously because that's my foundation shade. I'm going to use my sponge. I'm going to just tap into this, just kind of like get it on there, you know, and just press it under my eyes. Actually, I'm going to get rid of my creases first, obviously. So then I'm just gonna pass it on, tap it on. So it's gonna make it matte, it's gonna last longer, and yeah, just gonna make it look a little bit more flawless. Oh, this looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, look how flawless and smooth that looks. Alright, so next I'm going to use the Healthy Glow Luminous Bronzer, and my shade is Deep. So I'm just going to grab a big fluffy brush and just paint that all over the edges of my face and my contour. Alright, so next I move on to highlighter, and this is the highlighting powder, and I'm in shade 10 Ivory Gold. This is like a nice gold champagne. Alright, so I really like this highlighter. It's a good shade for me. It doesn't leave a cast, as you can see. I'm looking forward, which is the one thing I look for in a highlighter. Alright guys, so the face is complete. I did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this eyeshadow palette. This is the Les Beiges, and this is in Deep. And here's what it looks like. Pretty neutral. Alright, so I'm going to grab this shade right here in the bottom corner. I'm going to put that into my crease. Add a little bit of depth and definition to my crease. Alright, so I'm going to grab this eyeshadow stick. This is like a cream eyeshadow. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my eyelid to create a base for one of these shimmers. This will help create a sticky base so that when you put the shimmer on, it'll kind of be more pigmented and it'll stay and last longer. Alright, so from this eyeshadow palette, this is a quad. I'm going to grab this gold shade right here, and I'm going to pop that right on top of the shimmer I just put down. And I'm going to use my finger and just pack it on. Alright, I'm going to grab that white shade with my finger. I'm going to pop that right into the center of the eyelid. Alright, so I'm going to grab that crayon again, and I'll put that right into the inner corner of my eye to highlight it. And also right on the brow bone. Alright, so I'm going to grab that shade that I have in my crease on a little skinny brush like this. I'm going to run that under my lower lash line. Alright guys, so here's the eye look. It's pretty simple, pretty neutral. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on mascara, lashes, and I'll be back to do my lip. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to use the Jumbo Longwear Lip Crayon, and this is in shade number 19. Alright, so lastly I'm going to use the Rouge Cocoa Gloss in shade 712. This is like a clear gloss with gold glitter in it. Alright guys, so here is the finished makeup look. So my 3 favorite products have to be the highlighter, definitely, because this is super blinding. I can pack it on, there's no cast. It's a perfect tone for my skin. So I really like this eyeshadow palette. With my finger, it was pretty pigmented. I also had a cream underneath it, which helped. But as you can see, these are really pretty. These would be good for like an everyday natural look. Just swipe your finger in it, pack it on, and you're good. Also, this lip crayon is really pretty. I like how it has like a gloss to it. I love glossy lips. And yeah. Alright guys, so here's the end of the video. If you guys want to check out any of these products, you guys can head over to Nordstrom to check them out at the Chanel beauty bar. Alright guys, so here's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video and enjoyed seeing my trip to Nordstrom and my look experience. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel if not already, please do so. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces.